She is reading a storybook.
She is reading a storybook.
He drinks water after running.
He drinks water after running.
I am learning new words.
I am learning new words.
They are playing in the park.
They are playing in the park.
I am carrying a heavy bag.
I am carrying a heavy bag.
She is cutting fresh fruits.
She is cutting fresh fruits.
He is writing in notebook.
He is writing in notebook.
I am waiting for you.
I am waiting for you.
She is baking a cake.
She is baking a cake.
He is fixing the chair.
He is fixing the chair.
I am opening the window.
I am opening the window.
She is closing the door.
She is closing the door.
He is drawing a picture.
He is drawing a picture.
I am packing my bag.
I am packing my bag.
She is watering the plants.
She is watering the plants.
He is sweeping the floor.
He is sweeping the floor.
I am calling my friend.
I am calling my friend.
She is folding the clothes.
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 He is cleaning the table.
He is cleaning the table.
I am setting the alarm.
I am setting the alarm.
She is making hot tea.
She is making hot tea.
He is climbing the stairs.
He is climbing the stairs.
I am watching the sky.
I am watching the sky.
She is holding my hand.
She is holding my hand.
He is kicking the ball.
He is kicking the ball.
I am sitting near you.
I am sitting near you.
She is cooking lunch.
She is cooking lunch.
She is cooking lunch.
She is cooking lunch.
He is washing the car.
He is washing the car.